If you are somebody that purchased the Generational Wealth ebook, understand that creating a system around this specific topic will literally change your life. Why? Because this is a broad topic that everybody and their mom wants to know about. This is a topic to where no matter what platform you are on, you see people talking about the one and only generational wealth. You can be on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or wherever. Everybody wants to learn how to build generational wealth. And when you are the person, like I always say, that holds the key to the information that people need, when you connect those dots, that's when money is made.
I'm Brandon Belcher, the founder of PLR Hustle, the one-stop shop for resellable digital products, also known as private label rights. I've made a lot of money online, but it's not about me. It's about helping people like you become your own boss and live a laptop lifestyle. Thousands of people have used PLR Hustle to build a passive income selling digital products that they didn't even create. My goal is to teach you how to do the very same.
So if people want to learn about this topic and you have an ebook titled Generational Wealth, understand that there's a ton of money to be made, and that's exactly what this video is all about. I'm going to tell you how to build a system to sell this ebook like clockwork. If you've already purchased it, that's cool. If you haven't, most definitely go ahead and do so because you won't regret it after you watch this video. Now, there's so many different ways where you can sell this ebook. You can sell this ebook to your already existing audience. You can sell it via email. You can sell it all types of ways. Now, the system that we're going to talk about is Instagram. If you follow me on PLR Hustle, you should know by now I'm pretty good at building Instagram accounts. I built PLR Hustle from scratch, 0 to 10,000 from scratch in 28 days. So I know a little bit about building Instagram accounts up. I also have other Instagram accounts that's very low key that I really don't talk about, but understand when it comes to building thousands and tens of thousands of people around a specific business or product or whatever it may be, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's exactly what the Generational Wealth ebook with an Instagram account, a niche targeted Instagram account, is going to allow you to do. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to check out some of these pages that I have right here on the screen. Understand that these are pages that focus on the topic of wealth. Now think about this. This is what you need. You need your own page like this. You're basically becoming a media company whenever you are building up pages like this. No, you won't have hundreds of thousands of followers starting out, but you can and will get there with consistency. But you are becoming a media company that has an ebook attached, and that ebook is going to be the Generational Wealth ebook. So this is what you need to do. First thing you need to do is, if you don't have the Generational Wealth ebook, get it. It's a broad topic. Everybody wants to learn it and understand that it will sell like hotcakes. Everybody don't want to learn Facebook ads. Many people do, but everybody don't. Everybody don't want to learn drop shipping. Everybody don't want to learn certain topics. But whenever you got a topic that has an emotional attachment, like generational wealth, building generational wealth for your kids, people want to learn that information. And when you have it, once again, you can sell it to them and they'll buy it just like that.
So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you right here, step by step, right here on this Google Doc, on exactly how to make all of this come together and how to put this system to work for you. So the first thing you want to do is come up with your look and feel, aka your brand. So let me hop over here to Canva real quick and let me just click create a design, type in logo, whatever name you've decided to run with. You want your brand to focus on wealth. So you could provide wealth tips, or if you have somebody else doing this for you, you guys can provide wealth tips and just talk about wealth overall that will feed your Generational Wealth ebook. And of course, people want to get wealthy and learn how to build generational wealth. So a lot of people are going to click on a link in your bio. They're going to purchase the ebook. You're going to make money every time that happens. So I found this one right here, and this is a nice looking logo right here. You can change the colors if you want to. You can keep the colors the same. If I want to leave it like that, I can. And let me just, for example, let me just say that the name of my brand is going to be Wealthy Lifestyle, which is very basic and something I would never run with because, of course, an Instagram account like this is most likely, an Instagram name like this is most likely already taken anyway. So I'm not going to run with a name like this, but let's just say this is my brand name, Wealthy Lifestyle. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and get this downloaded and get this uploaded to my Instagram account. Let me go to my personal Instagram account right here. Of course, if this was my Wealthy Lifestyle Instagram account, I would go ahead and fill out the bio and put what the Instagram account is all about. Now, I can't tell you exactly what to put because I don't know exactly what your whole entire focus is. I don't know if you're only doing tips. I don't know if you're going to only do Instagram Reels. I don't know what your whole focus is with your account. But at the end of the day, the number one thing you should be focused on is driving people to your link. But fill out your bio. Make sure your username is set. Make sure if, like I said, if this was my Wealthy Lifestyle Instagram account, make sure your profile photo is uploaded and your account is ready to go. So remember, go to Canva or outsource it. It's real easy to do it on your own in Canva, so you really don't have to outsource anything like this. But go ahead and get your look and feel after you've already come up with your name. Get your look and feel together. Go ahead and get your Instagram account right, and then you're ready to move on to step 2. So step 2 is going to be start uploading content. Now remember, you can always go to Fiverr.com and you can outsource some content. You can go to freelancer.com and you can outsource some content, or you can go somewhere like upwork.com and outsource some content. But the bottom line is, if you don't want to create any content on your own, go ahead and go to one of these 3 sites and outsource the content. People will work around the clock for your page, literally for pennies on the dollar, for a very good price. And all you would tell them to do is just create some quote-based and text-based content for my Instagram account. This is exactly what you want to tell them. You want to tell them to create tips. You want to tell them to create call to action to get people to click on the bio link. You want to give them a strategy, a blueprint to follow. Create tips, motivate people, create call to action type posts. Give them pages that you like that they can basically kind of mimic in a way and kind of get ideas from. You want to give people an idea exactly what you want for your Instagram account. So if I got somebody creating content for my Instagram account, I got to lead and I got to give them a direction to go in. So that's exactly what you want to do. But of course, if you do it on your own, you can just go to Canva again. You can, right here, Instagram post. And what you can do is you could just kind of come up with a theme. So if we go to our logo right here, I believe it was black, Wealthy Lifestyle, had that bold right there. If we go to our logo right here, and we do transparent background, let me get this downloaded. And we are creating a design from scratch. All we got to do is put the background black like that, upload the design. There we go. There's the design. There's the logo. I can make that small. I can throw that down in the corner right there. I can make it a little bigger if I want to. I can go ahead and start putting my text right there and start creating content for my Instagram account. This is all you have to do right here. So another thing you can do if you outsource it, you can just build the template just like you just watched me do. I uploaded my logo right here. I put it at the bottom. And I simply put some text over here. You can put whatever text you want. There's a lot of text to choose from on Canva. So after that, I can simply share it. Watch this. Share to use as a template. Share a link to use as template. Make sure you select that. Copy this link. Let me show you how it's going to work. Let's say you share it with somebody on Freelancer, Fiverr, or Upwork. They will click on a link and they will be able to use the template. They will be able to log into their own Canva account and use this template to do what? To start creating a ton of posts for you, quote-based posts for your brand new Instagram account. So if you are outsourcing it, it's really easy, as you can see. If you are creating the content on your own, it's really easy, as you can see. So you want to get your look and feel together after you have your name. You got to have your brand name picked out. Then you want to start uploading content. After you start uploading your content, you want to start pushing traffic, aka getting new followers. And how do you do that? I've talked about this multiple times. You can click on hashtag ad and you can simply see who's posting ads for other companies. You can do it that way, or you can be very smart like I do, and you can just type in wealth and you can find pages that are willing to promote your Instagram account in exchange for, of course, you paying them to promote your Instagram account. Now, some of this, like the Black Wealth Crew, I promote with them all the time. BLK.wealth, I promote with them all the time. Black Wealth Renaissance, I promote with them all the time. So if I'm clicking on one of these pages right here, as you can see, this Black Wealth page is extremely active. And they make posts for me all the time. We do deals all the time. They got 149,000 followers. So if you create a brand new Instagram account talking about wealth, you outsourcing your content or you doing the content on your own, you can mix and match it. It's going to cost you $200-300 a month if you outsource it. But guess what? What if it can make you $2,000-3,000 a month by people coming to your bio link, clicking on it, and making a purchase for a generational wealth ebook? After that, I'm sure that you'll realize that it's completely worth spending $200-300 a month when you can make $2,000-3,000 a month. But the beautiful thing about it is these pages are great, even like the Black Wealth right here, but they are not selling a generational wealth ebook. The name of the page is Black Wealth. They got 149,000 followers, but they don't have the generational wealth ebook. So this is the beauty about it. You will be one of the first people on Instagram selling this way. Now, please don't be small-minded and think, what if it gets saturated? What if 30, 40, 50 people are selling this ebook? Instagram got 1 billion users and there's millions and millions of people that's looking to build generational wealth. So I could be doing this, you could be doing this, and everybody that you can think of as an entrepreneur, of course, could be doing this, and we still won't bump heads. If we are all promoting with the same pages, of course, we can bump heads that way. But you can type in wealth, you can type in success or anything, and you can start promoting your page for people. This is another good page right here. 1 million followers, success owner. I promote with them as well. They got a very active following. So if you're promoting with a page like this and growing your generational wealth Instagram account, or whatever you may name it, of course, if you are growing your page with a page like this is millions and millions of followers altogether when you combine a bunch of pages that you will have access to. So understand this is how the process is going to work. So after you get your content flowing onto your page, what you want to do is you want to go to Canva and you want to start creating certain type of ad copy. So the ad copy that you will create depends on exactly what you want to say. Now, ad copy is extremely important because after I create, let me see. After I make my ad copy, I'm going to give this post to success owner, to Black Wealth, or whoever. They're going to post it on their page and they're going to tag my Instagram account. So whatever you say right here, of course, you can say whatever you like. That's going to basically determine how many people come from their page to your page. So you want to split test always what you're saying in your ad copy. Remember, ad copy is life when it comes to marketing. If you want, it's literally life when it comes to marketing. It's the difference between having 100 followers and 100,000 followers, ad copy is everything. Once you find some winning ad copy, trust me, you could easily do like I done with PLR Hustle and go from 0 to 10,000 followers in 28 to 30 days. So that's the power of powerful ad copy. So once you get your content flowing onto your account, once you got your bio filled out, once you keep your content flowing, regardless of you doing it or you outsourcing it, it's time to start getting people over. And once you do that, that's when the money is going to be made. And these 3 steps right here, get your look and feel together, start uploading your content, you start pushing traffic. These 3 steps right here is going to equal money in the bank. How? Because once again, people are going to click on your bio link. Everybody's not. Many people are. They're going to click on your bio link and they're going to gain access to your one and only generational wealth ebook. This is a system right here that if you have in place, you can make thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars with this easy 4-step flow right here. Look and feel, upload content consistently, push traffic, money in the bank. Now, if you want it to be an autopilot system, you want to outsource everything. So you want to outsource this part and you want to outsource this part. You want to outsource both of these right here. So you want to have somebody right here doing your content like I explained. And you also want to hire somebody that will reach out to these big pages for you and make a deal. Now, of course, they would have to have access to your business debit card to make these deals happen so they can get them paid, or you can probably add them onto your PayPal account, or you could probably do something like that, PayPal Teams or Stripe Teams. I'm sure a lot of these companies got APIs or a section where you can add teams to handle that, that will allow your teams, that would grant access to team members to handle payments. So you'll just have to look into that. But if you outsource step 2 and 3, understand that this is a step-by-step system that can take you from 0 to $100,000 a year around the clock. If you are selling the Generational Wealth ebook at bare minimum for $50, all you would need is 4 sales a day to bank $6,000 a month and $72,000 a year. That's $72,000 a year in the bank that you can make by doing this. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to explain a nice little system for you to put to work. Go ahead and put the work right away and literally start seeing money as soon as this week. This is not something that's going to take you forever and a day to see results. This is something that is going to help you scale your income for 2022 faster than you ever thought possible. Remember, go over here to plrhustle.com. The Generational Wealth ebook is right here. I went ahead and rated this ebook of the year because it is. You buy it for $100. Don't cry about the price. It's $100. You can sell the bad boy if you want to for $100, or you can be nice about it and sell it for $50. After you get 2 sales, you've made your money back already. Everything after that is profit. But after you go over here and get the ebook, or if you already own the ebook, you are ready to go. If you need a bio link, a free bio link platform, go to linkable.to. It's better than Linktree because you don't have to pay and you get nothing but premium features with Linkable. If you need an e-commerce platform to sell your ebooks from, if you want to sell your Generational Wealth ebook from, go to selfie.com/PLR Hustle, or you can use discount code PLR Hustle to get a 20% discount on your membership. But overall, once you do all of these steps, once again, you're ready to go. I really appreciate you watching this video. So much more content coming just like this. That's going to give you step-by-step systems to help you scale up your income in 2022 and beyond. I love to talk about evergreen systems that's going to work right now, and it's going to also work 5 years from now. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on your post notifications. Comment below and let me know what you thought, and I will catch you in my next video.